Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up project goals and track progress in Asana. To kick us off, we need to create a new project. To do this, click on the plus icon in the top bar, then select Project. The reason we do this is to provide a clear, defined space for your project goals and tasks. This is your project's home base, where you'll track all your progress. Now that we've done that, let's define our project goals. Click on the Goals tab on your project dashboard. Here, you can add your goals. Try to make them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This helps us because it gives our project a clear direction and sets a measurable benchmark for success. Next up, we need to create the tasks that will help us achieve these goals. To create a task, click on the plus Add Task button. Give each task a clear, concise name and assign it to a team member. This is important because it ensures every task has a responsible person and the whole team knows who is doing what. Now, let's talk about tracking progress. Asana's Progress View is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor your project's progress in real time. Click on the Progress tab to access it. Here, you can see a visual representation of your project's progress towards its goals. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on the team updated and motivated as they see the progress they are making towards the goals. Finally, it's time to set up regular status updates. This is done by clicking on the Status Update button in the Progress View. Regular status updates are crucial because they keep everyone in the loop and ensure that any challenges or blockers are addressed promptly. Let me explain why this all matters.